guys, my name's Sasha and today I want to show you how to make this wind chime out of recycled materials. My mother's also going to help me today. She's going to be cutting this ring bit. Okay, to make a wind chime we need some metal pipes. I've cut them at different lengths and I've drilled a hole through both sides. And the only piece I bought was this, and my mom cut this off a PVC pipe, and we're going to need string and scissors.
We're going to need a ring. So to make a ring, you can chop a ring off a piece of pipe. So what you can do is you can measure the size you want. You can use an angle grinder to cut the edge all the way around. And when you've got it, you can drill a few holes and then you're left with a ring.
Okay, for this part, we're going to be going from the ring up so that we can hang it. So what I've done is I've hung these like this and I've put some beads, but I'm going to show you how I've done it on this side. So you're going to need 4 equal lengths of string, and you're going to double them like this and do a little knot here. And then I'm just going to put some beads on. Okay, so it's going to look like that, and I'm going to put some beads on here. Okay, I've put the beads on this one, and now we need to put them all together up at the top. It's best to get it off the table so you can see which way it's leaning. And you got to put all the strings. It's nice if it's got a big space here. All the strings together, and you got to pull whichever one's loose. You got to pull it tight until it all sits nicely. There you go. It's a bit of a balancing act. Okay, then it'll look like that, and you want to do a big knot here, just to keep everything in this way so that it doesn't tilt. And then I like to go on, okay, we've got that knot done. I like to go at the top here and just pull each string so that I know the knot is tight. Just each individual string, just give it a tug so that it comes through this knot nicely. And now to make a loop. Now that we've got it hanging nicely, all the things are the right length, I want to make a loop at the top. So we can use all this. This is what the knot's going to look like. It's just 2 knots, and I'm going to separate them into 2 equal parts. And then I'm going to put this key ring on so that we can hang it. There we go, it'll hang like that. Now to start on the part that goes down. To continue, we've hung the top piece here, and I've put a needle on the string, and I'm going to thread the needle through the pipe. There's 2 little drilled holes, and I'm just going to then hang it up here. Oh, that's loud. So it'll go through there, and then through the next pipe, and then through the hole at the top to hang it, and then through the pipe again. Don't let it fall off you need a bit more string. It's not coming off this spool very easily. This is going to take a lot of string, this project. Okay, here we go. It's okay that they're sort of loose right now. We'll get them to the right spot just now. Wrong hole. Let me put it through this hole. There we go. We're just threading them up. Okay, I've strung these up. It's quite a balancing act. You have to pull this one up, pull this one up, like so that you can balance them. It's all about balancing. Now to start the middle bit, I want to get a piece of string, very long piece of string, because this big piece in the middle has got to hang like down here. So I want to go in the middle of this all the way to the top where this hanging bit is, and I'm going to pull the string through and it'll be pulling down to here, so it'll look like that. And I want to cut it off here, and I want to put a few beads just to make it pretty. Okay, I've put the beads on, and now I've got these two little things here, and I've got this big piece in the middle. What I want to do is bring the string through one side and then the other piece of string through this side so that it's very strong, and then it's gonna look like that. So I want to just tie a knot here. Get it quite close to the edge. There we go, and it'll settle in the middle like that. And that's our recycled materials made into a chime. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to see more interesting projects like this one.